Hi, my name's Jeff. I'm from the school improvement team here at 2Simple. I just wanted to take you through some of the key elements of Know My School that you may not be aware of. Did you know that Know My School is made up of two key parts? The first part is the coach, which manages self-evaluation, and the second part is the hub, which manages action planning and school development planning and so on. Inside the coach, I can manage all of my self-evaluation and conduct that self-evaluation in a fraction of the time it usually takes. I can look at criteria to evaluate our school against. I can upload pieces of evidence, and I can also link actions to the school improvement plan as well. So I can complete that self-evaluation much quicker than I could do in a traditional format. But also, crucially, I know at the end of that process that the self-evaluation will be in line with Ofsted expectations. We've made some really cool updates to the hub as well. So linked to the self-evaluation area is an action planning area here as well. So here I can manage all my school development plans, action plans, improvement plans, even departmental plans and subject leader plans and that kind of thing as well. So here I'm managing the key priority for maths that we're working on this year, another one for reading standards, I've got a maths action plan and so on. A really nice little area that we've just developed is the school policies area. So you can manage every single one of your policies in this area as well. So all your policies are stored safely online. You get access to them whenever you want them. And the system will also tell you when they need updating and what has happened to that policy since the last time it was updated and so on. So here, for instance, I could look at the maths policy. I can see it's linked to the key priority of developing maths in Key Stage 2, who's responsible for delivering it. I can see a little action plan for it here to get quotes for a new maths scheme, to organise in-service training for year 3 and 4. And down at the bottom here, I can see everything that's happened to the policy, and I can even see the policy document as well, and I can upload minutes from meetings and that sort of thing there. There's loads of printouts as well, so I can just print the policy out in a traditional way, or I could print out all of the policy documents across a calendar, so it shows me which policies are being evaluated and updated at which times and so on. So please do keep an eye out for Know My School. We've got loads of new features coming along. It won't be long till our CPD area is fully developed as well. So if you'd like any more information, please do get in touch with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.